Okay, sorry, things happened there for a minute. We cleaned up a bit of a mess. So I get this from the plumbing place. This is the dope that you put on to seal it, pipe seal it. I've got my pipe sealing on. I've got, this year's already pipe sealed. I might have to turn a little bit more in a second. I was just checking things out. I gotta find the hole in the dark. I found it. Even blind, I can find it. And in the dark. Imagine that. Okay. So I put lots of pipe dope on it to be generous. It's all good. Now we're going to keep taking Now this doesn't have to be crazy tight, just tight. Because the dope does the rest of the job. That's what I like about this dope I use. Okay, that's good. That's fine. Because the dope should do the job. Okay. Now we're coming over here. It seems a little bit more. This is our union here. Western Union. There's an O-ring there, right there. So make sure you still got your O-ring. And it's still squishy. It's all good. And this wasn't very tight either. Let's get over there. Okay, we have thumb wrench. It's not big enough. I'm trying to find a big pipe right there. So there's it's a rubber seal joint, that's it. It's tight. And then I was gonna fix this little thing a little bit. 5 degrees, he said. So let's get the 5 degrees there.
Yeah.
5 degrees. Here's the wires. So it's coming in here. And then I need the lock ring. Thank you. So I just bring these up here a little bit and bring it with my fingers so far, and then I just stick them in nice and tight like that. That's it. No tools needed. There's the next one. And when I did this, I put one ring on and left one ring off, and I did that to know where they were, but then I forgot about that I did it. So it didn't do me very good, did it? But I remembered after. There we go. Here. I would be wiring it up the same way it was wired up. a little trickier on this side. Okay, these ones are in my way. That's what they're on.
They're in the way, and is that the right way, or should it be the other way?
Everything's good. It's just me being blind. I didn't see that those wires were causing me a problem. Hold it so, like he's,
You want me to push that in?
that's not really my problem. I think my problem are these darn gloves. Oh, there. Is that going on now? Jeepers. It's still inside, we think. Right. I think it's all the way on.
No, it's not on. It's not tight.
Some of these just don't go for me either.
You see, what's going on is this getting caught up. It's on an angle.
Is it on the angle?
Yeah.
Hmm.
You just hold her in, and I'll line up the angle. Okay, now you got her on a straight angle. Let me hold this. Comes off.
Yeah, just hold this back a bit so that it's flush with the.
I think you got her in there, buddy.
Sometimes, this one, sometimes they don't go exactly really super tight, so this is good. It goes tight.
No, I took her off video when you were successful. I laid the phone down.
Oh, okay. So it's canceled now again?
I was going to get the audio anyway.
Okay, here we go. She's tight. So our next is, we need our square screwdriver. Or is that, are they stars down there? I thought they were square down there on the bottom. Okay, there's. Okay, here we go. That. So what I'm doing now is just I'm making sure the twist is right with the screw. So when you tighten the screw, it wraps around the wire, wraps around it. Find another blind hole. There we go. We're good. Yeah, I learned how to do this stuff when I was a kid. We always had wells. So, this was just normal upkeep. And then when I built the house in 2003, I put artesian wells in it and geothermal heat. But I don't own that house anymore. So now we're just putting the grounds on here. For some reason they had grounds going under all these different holes, so I'm just going to do the same thing they had done. Is that wire? That's one of those wires. Those wires. We should have one more ground wire here. There you go. The ground wire. There we go. Now, gee, these are tight. One. I'm loosening off the screws. Put the wires down on it. I'm no worries about losing them anyway. Oh, that's why they're so tight. Too many complaints of people saying, "Oh, screws." Okay, so I'm colorblind here, so I need some help. I think this is a black right here.
Oh, it's red.
Red? Okay. This is the black?
Yes.
So that red must have been over here. Because we had black on this side, right? Last time?
I think I took a picture of it. I'm gonna have him stop and have a look.
And pause. The blacks were on this side. It doesn't matter anyway. Really. Tight. Which one's black? That one?
That's red.
This is the black? Okay.
Black is to the left. There it is. Yeah.
Going to the second screw. Okay. So black, black. Oh shit, I think I just have to screw it. I unscrewed it too far. It's alright. I'll fix it in a second. So, red. And we'll check the phone in a second, see if it's the same. This red in the same place that black is on this side. Do you see that screw?
Okay, I'm gonna have a look here now. I'm gonna put the burr on pause.